Hello friends, a warm welcome to all of you on my channel. Today I am presenting another South Indian non-veg recipe. It's from Nilgiri Hills in Ooty and it's known as Nilgiri Mutton curry. It is very flavorful. As always, it has coconut. South Indian curries are mostly coconut based, and it's also flavored with coriander and mint apart from other spices. So this flavorful curry can be relished with plain rice, or it can also be served with appams, dosas, neer dosas. So let's proceed to make this flavorful Nilgiri mutton curry. In the same way, using the same recipe, you can also try out chicken and fish. They will also turn out very good. So let's go and make this curry. Nilgiri mutton curry, a very flavorful coconut based curry from the Nilgiri Hills region of Ooty. You can relish it with plain rice or pair it with dosas and appams. It's a lovely non-veg treat from the South Indian cuisine. Here is the list of ingredients for Nilgiri mutton curry. The detailed recipe link also is shared in the description box. You can check it out. Let's begin with grinding the masala first. Grind the coconut, coriander leaves, mint leaves and green chillies. You can add little water and grind them. The quantity of water doesn't matter because it goes to the gravy anyways. So you can add half cup. This is ready. We'll set it aside for later. Now let's begin cooking. In a pressure cooker, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add the whole spices. Give them a little toss until they give out a nice aroma. Now dip in the mutton pieces. Saute them. These days the mutton is tough, we have to use pressure cooker for cooking. Add little turmeric powder, very little, and some salt. Keep stirring it. Continue sauteing until the moisture from the mutton pieces dries up, and you can see now the oil is separating. Now add about 1 cup of water and close the pressure cooker. We'll cook it for 7 to 8 whistles or until the mutton is cooked. It depends on the quality of the mutton and also the size of the mutton pieces. We have to cook it 90% because 10% will be cooked later with the gravies. After the pressure is released, open and check the mutton pieces. Yeah, this is almost done, little more to go. So this is perfect. Now take a pan and heat some oil, again about 2 tablespoons. Add the ginger and garlic. Saute it a bit. Now dip in the onion slices. Now we have to saute these until they are translucent. Add a sprig of curry leaves. South Indian cuisine, they add lot of curry leaves. They are very good for health also. Keep sauteing it stirring intermittently. Now the color is golden, light pink. This is perfect. Now add water, about half cup, and simmer it. After cooling, we are going to grind this onion. Grind it to a paste and set it aside. Again, heat little oil. Add some curry leaves. Now dip in this onion paste. Keep stirring it. Cook it for about 1 minute. Add little bit of turmeric and cumin powder and coriander powder and little salt again. Stir and cook this until the oil separates and all the spices are incorporated into it. Do this on the medium flame. Couple of times, open the lid and give it a good stir. Now time to add the green paste which we ground and kept aside initially. Now both have to be combined and cooked together. Look at the lovely color. Pleasing to the eyes. Stir occasionally so that it's cooked well. Maintain medium flame. Now add the mutton pieces. First we'll add the pieces, cook, and then the stock can be added later for the gravy as required. Saute them a bit. Add as much stock as you want, depending on the quantity of the gravy. If you are serving with rice, you might want it more thinner, and if with dosas and appams, you can keep a thicker version. I am serving it with rice, so I added the entire stock. Now add whisked yogurt, about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and quickly stir it so that it doesn't curdle. Give it a nice stir with the ladle. You can see the color has changed and it looks so lovely. Yogurt is the thing that gives the tanginess to this. Now also add the garam masala. Check the salt. Cover it and simmer for a couple of minutes. Stirring a couple of times. It is done. The delicious curry is ready to be served. So friends, make and enjoy this curry with plain rice, or as I mentioned, with dosas and appams. These coconut based curries are really very delicious from southern cuisine. I really love them. Using the same recipe, you can also try out chicken and even fish. Fish will also taste very good. I'm sure you're going to love it as much as I do. So see you soon with one more recipe. Take care. If you are a first time visitor to the channel, do subscribe and click on the bell icon to be notified about the new uploads. Here are some videos from my collection. Do check them out in case you have missed out some.